ask you about love. They quote me a sonnet. You've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Oh my God, what an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell, and you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.
Hey guys, it's Naveen, or the Casual Coder. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage or unboxing video of me, unboxing the Ledger. Yeah, I definitely need to get better at like filming and like keeping it steady. Cause yeah, from time to time, I just find it hard to actually first I need like a proper tripod to film these like unboxing videos. But as I get better at it, I think the quality will improve. But yeah, with regards to the Ledger, I've been using it as basically my main store of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reason why I picked it up in the first place was basically because I was reading a lot about just the security of a lot of online wallets, getting into the nitty gritty of it. And I just felt like to a certain stage, would I really be comfortable having everything digitally on various wallets online? Because initially my idea was oh yeah, I'll just have multiple wallets, so not to have too much Bitcoin or various currencies on one wallet, just have it dispersed. But then thinking about that, if one goes down, then I'd lose X amount of money. And while it wouldn't be all of it, I'd rather not lose any, to be honest. So basically that was my thought process or planning behind, just picking up one of these. And yeah, so the process for setting it up was pretty easy. You basically just connect it up, follow the instructions on the little display. There's a little display right there. Yeah, a little display on there. Follow the instructions, set up your pen, set up your private passcode, or passphrase, which is 20 or something words. And yeah, that comes with so basically from there it's really just simple. It's using the software, the Ledger Live software. There's like heaps of tutorials and stuff online on how to do it. I double checked on watching one of them before I like set it up because I didn't want to mess this up. But yeah, it's pretty foolproof. And yeah, so far like using it, I guess the only annoyance is like because it's I use a MacBook Pro. This doesn't like natively support USB-C. It has I think I have the cable right here. So yeah, it's like a micro USB to micro USB cable. So basically I've had to use my like dongle, which like connects up to my laptop, which I use normally to like connect up to my keyboard and stuff. So that wasn't that big of an issue, but like for those who might be like, oh, like wire minimalists, that might be an issue for you. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, just plug it in, put your pen, and then basically set up your transactions, and it's basically the same as like transacting to your a digital wallet. You give your own like address, so it's pretty easy to use. I guess the only other downside is that it's kind of at least this version, the more expensive S, I believe, or X. I forget I should like check what name of this is, but the more expensive one with like Bluetooth and like the app and stuff has like more storage. At the moment this is like limited to like 3 currencies, I believe. Again, I should double check that. So at the moment I've only got Bitcoin and Ethereum. I was planning to add like another one, but I don't know, I think using just Bitcoin and Ethereum and then having like using MetaMask for my other like MetaMask and like the Binance wallet for my other like altcoins is basically how I'm going to move forward from now on. Yeah, so guys, I guess like I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely, yeah, as I get more into YouTube now, I'll definitely be pumping out more videos. I've definitely gotten some like messages asking like, oh, why don't you update your portfolio, or why don't you tell us like this and this about crypto, and I'm definitely like working on that. It's just, yeah, just time is probably my main like thing, time and effort, right? Because yeah, I've just been pretty busy, and then also like pretty lazy at the same time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.